Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I want to post our hotel. In this video, we will explain all the details about this resort, like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort, and room category and facilities also. So you can see on the screen hotel location. There is the nearby attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. We talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. 6 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. Definition of the hotel is guests to enjoy beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts prepaid credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 1 p.m. The checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various new plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below to link in description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.